Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you what to do if backspace key not working in your PC. If you want to fix it, I know one really simple solution. First you need to do is click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Here we are interested in to go to ease of access, narrator magnifier, high contrast. Then on the left panel we need to scroll down and open something like keyboard. Here we can find a lot of really useful settings that will make it easier to type and use keyboard shortcuts. We need to scroll down these settings and find use filter keys options. Here we need to disable this one option. Ignore brief or repeated keystrokes and change keyboard repeat rates. We need to click on this one icon, and then this option will be successfully turned off. It should fix your backspace. If not, I recommend you to restart your PC and check if it fixed your problem. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.